Sectors of Indian Economy Part 3. In the previous video, we have learned the importance of tertiary sector. We have discussed sectors of economy on the basis of activities as primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. We have also compared the three sectors of economy. We have seen the workers in agriculture are not producing as much as they could. It means there are more people in agriculture than is necessary. Workers in agriculture sector are underemployed. For example, a small farmer Lakshmi has 2 hectares of unirrigated land. All 5 members of her family work on that land. Each one is doing work, but no one is fully employed. Their labor effort gets divided. This is the situation of underemployment. All of them are made to work less than their potential. This kind of underemployment is hidden in contrast to someone who does not have a job and is clearly visible as underemployed. Hence, it is also called disguised unemployment. Underemployment can also be seen in other sectors as casual workers, painters, plumbers, repair persons don't find work every day. Let us see how to create more employment. There are different ways to create more employment, such as government can provide the facility like irrigation, easy loan to the farmers, etc. Next, identify, promote, and locate industries. Next is by opening cold storage and start honey collection centers in villages near forest areas. Job can be created in education sector, health sector, and tourism sector also. By implementing laws like right to work, these are some ways by which job could be created. We must realize some of the suggestions discussed above would take too much long time to implement. We need some quick measures. Recognizing this, Indian government implementing the laws right to work. It is called NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. Later it became Manrega. Full form of Manrega is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. It provides 100 days of employment to workers in a year by government. If government fails in duty to provide it, will give unemployment allowance to the people. In the next video, we will learn division of sectors based on working condition as organized sector and unorganized sector. Thanks.